In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently find a real estate agent using Zillow's platform. This is a handy guide whether you're looking to buy or sell a property, and using Zillow can simplify the process by helping you connect with reputable agents in your area or wherever you're planning to move. First up, grab your device and open your favorite browser. Head over to the Zillow website. Simply type in zillow.com in the address bar and hit enter. Make sure your internet connection is active, as you'll need it to navigate through the site smoothly. Once you're on the Zillow homepage, look for the option labeled Find an Agent. This is your gateway to accessing a wide network of professional real estate agents. Click on the Find an Agent link, which usually appears prominently on the top menu or within the drop-down menus. Now, to narrow down your search, click on the Hunt section. This is where you can start filtering potential real estate partners by various criteria, such as location or name, if you already have someone in mind. If you're unsure of who to connect with, Zillow offers suggestions based on their listings and reviews from other users. When searching, you have the option to organize results by location. This can be particularly useful if you're new to a city or if you're exploring different neighborhoods to move into. Alternatively, if you know the name of an agent you've heard good reviews about, you can search directly for that person too. Zillow also provides suggestions for agents if you prefer to take their recommendations. It's a great option if you're feeling overwhelmed by choices or if you're looking for a starting point. Notably, Zillow has various filtering tools. You can filter your search based on reviews, specialties, certifications, and even the number of transactions an agent has closed, so you can make a well-informed decision. Additionally, you are not limited to just location and names. There are other filters available, such as price range, to help you find agents that specialize in properties within your budget. Moreover, if language is a concern, you can even choose agents who speak your preferred language. Once you find a suitable agent, clicking on Connect with a local agent will be your next step. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and phone number. Don't worry, this information remains confidential, serving only to facilitate the connection between you and the local agent. After you submit this, expect to be contacted by a local agent from your chosen area who is eager to assist you with your real estate needs. By following these simple steps, you'll have a reliable real estate partner ready to support you throughout your buying or selling journey. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting using Zillow.